Hey gang, Bill here. Thanks so much for checking out the video, and of course, thanks again so much for helping us reach this incredible milestone, 100,000 plus subscribers. That's so awesome. Of course, it only made sense for us to have a foam play button right there because, of course, all the foam smithing we've done. So thanks so much for helping us hit this milestone. We'll do something again in the future when we hit the next big one. The little memory card there, funny story, a little 8 gigabyte memory card. That is the first memory card I purchased for my DSLR for every video I've shot up until now. Some 400 videos have all passed through that memory card. I finally retired it. I bought a better, faster, bigger one, but this guy I figured we could immortalize along with the play button. Also, this leaves me with a spare silver play button. And I'm not quite sure what I should do with this. So, if you have an idea for a fun project to do with this silver play button, let me know down in the comments and we'll do something really fun with this. Thanks again so much for checking out the video and hitting this milestone. If you haven't checked it out already, go watch the Malcolm Reynolds pistol build. If you're watching this in December of 2016, there's still time to build it and be included in the video compilation I'm gonna put together in January. So head on over, check that one out. Do the build. Thanks again. We'll see you all in the next video.